Drinking a lot of water can be a useful tool in a dieter's arsenal when weight loss is a goal. It helps boost your metabolism, suppresses your appetite, and helps you shed water weight. Getting in the recommended 8 to 10 glasses a day can be difficult, but with determination, you will soon be on the right track of using water to your weight loss advantage. Increasing your water consumption. Drink water throughout the day. Drinking water during the day can help keep you feeling full without consuming high-calorie beverages such as milk, tea with milk, juice and snacks that will make you gain more weight. Drink a glass of water before every meal. The feeling of fullness will help you eat less, thus consuming fewer calories for improved weight loss results. Replace sweetened drinks with water. Instead of drinking soda, alcoholic beverages, smoothies, or other high-calorie drinks, grab a glass or bottle of water. Swapping in a zero-calorie beverage for high-calorie alternatives can spare you hundreds of calories per day, further aiding in weight loss. Match any alcohol consumption with equal amounts of water. This matched fluid intake should not count toward your daily water intake. Any water you drink for this purpose should be in addition to your daily water goal. Drink water and cut salt intake to lose water weight. Reducing the amount of dietary salt you consume can help you lose water weight quickly, particularly when combined with an increase in daily water intake. Trying a detox water diet. Try a short detox diet focused on drinking water infused with vegetables and fruit. Decide how long you will do the detox diet. Cut up the fruits and vegetables in the water and refrigerate for a few hours. Drink at least the recommended amount of 64 ounces of water a day. Eat water-rich food throughout the diet. Remember that this is not a long-term solution. Following a water fast. Decide how long you want to fast for. Typically, just a few days is best. If you do not think you can tolerate that long, try just a 24-hour period to start. If at the end of that 24 hours you feel as if you can continue, feel free to do so. Check with your doctor. You do not want to do this fast if you have any dietary or health restrictions that will jeopardize your well-being. Eat lightly for a few days to prepare your body for the fast. Do not exercise. Even though you want to lose weight and exercising is a great way to aid in this, avoid it during this time. It would be too strenuous on your body for you to exert this energy and lose fluids through sweating. Commence fasting. Drink only water for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and throughout the day when you feel hungry. Introduce light foods back into your diet. Try and eat like you did before the fast to build back up your body gradually. Have raw fruits and vegetables, lean meats, brown rice, and keep up your water intake.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,